Hello，大家好啊，又係我 Ron 啊，呢個頻道叫 Ron AI 啊，之前咧出過兩個系列噶啦，第一個系列咧就介紹自己嘅個人 IP 用 AI 可唔可以咧快速咁樣幫我去產生流量啊，宣傳自己。第二個咧就係呢個新系列就係 AI 自動賺錢系列第5集噶啦，哇，好震撼！俾大家睇咗條片先講有幾震撼。而家等我撳出去俾大家望望，即刻話俾你聽，哇，好堅料啊！做咗成粒鐘啊，唔錯效果俾大家望啊！唔好話震撼啊，俾3秒大家儲氣先，睇住。
We just finished the talks. 21 hours, a very long time. My people, the best people, they were there. They want the chaos. And I said, and I've said this from day one,